To start dropshipping, follow these steps. Step 1. Struggling to find the perfect niche for your dropshipping store? Here are 7 tips to help you choose a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche can make or break your online store. Tip 1. Research trending products and consumer interests. Tip 2. Analyze your competitors to find market gaps. Tip 3. Consider your passion and expertise in the niche. Start implementing these tips today. It's time to find reliable suppliers or wholesalers for your chosen niche products. Stay tuned. Here are again 7 tips to make product sourcing easier and more effective. Product sourcing is crucial for dropshipping success. It determines your quality and profit. Tip #1. Use reputable suppliers who offer high-quality products and timely shipping. Tip #2. Utilize product research tools to identify trending items. Tip #3. Order samples to check product quality before listing them. Implement these tips to streamline your product sourcing and boost your dropshipping business. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehoo can help you find quality products with reasonable shipping times. Now, let's set up your Shopify store. Choose an appealing theme, design your logo, and create compelling product descriptions. Your website should be user-friendly and optimized for conversions. Step 1. Visit Shopify.com and sign up for an account. Easy and quick. Step 2. Choose a store name that represents your brand. Be creative. Step 3. Select a theme for your store. Shopify offers many free and paid options. Step 4. Customize your store layout. Make it visually appealing and user-friendly. Step 5. Add products with detailed descriptions and high-quality images. You've set up your Shopify store. Start selling and watch your business grow. Ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Welcome to Step 4. Crafting your marketing strategy for dropshipping. First, identify your target audience. Who are they? What do they need? Next, choose the right marketing channels: social media, email, or paid ads. Develop compelling content. Quality visuals and persuasive copy make a difference. Utilize analytics to measure your campaign success and adapt strategies. Use a mix of social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store and reach your target audience. Start applying these strategies today. To maximize sales, optimize your website for conversions. Improve site speed, offer multiple payment options, use scarcity tactics, and optimize product pages for SEO to encourage visitors to make a purchase. First, focus on high-quality product images. They attract attention and build trust. Next, simplify your checkout process. Fewer steps mean fewer chances to drop off. Use clear call-to-action buttons. Guide your customers effortlessly through the purchase journey. Offer multiple payment options. Catering to preferences can increase your conversion rate. Leverage customer reviews. Social proof can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Apply these tips and watch your dropshipping conversions. Then, providing excellent customer service is key to building trust and loyalty. First, understand your customers' needs. It's crucial. Second, respond promptly. Time is key. Offer multiple communication channels, handle inquiries promptly, and make the returns refunds process smooth and hassle-free. Third, be friendly and professional. Fourth, offer personalized solutions. Fifth, follow up to ensure satisfaction. Implement these tips and watch your customer satisfaction soar. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Follow us on our social media channels for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more content on optimizing your digital presence. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy optimizing and see you soon. Please wait for next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. And wait. Comment on this video about what videos you want in the next and update us how is your YT journey.